registration, आपको एक चीज करना पड़ेगा. So first of all you have to verify your email ID. So I recommend, so you just verify your email ID on clicking, like you can uh, check here this, please verify your email ID, start online sell, right, start selling online, right? So you're just clicking on the verify button. So once you click here, you will get a notified on the registered email ID. So then just clicking on that email ID link, so your email ID will be verified, right? So once done, after verification of your email ID, you can create or you can add all your product, and you can design your website according your like content and everything you have, right? So this is the overview of one dashboard I can show you. So this is आप देख सकते हैं. So this is your website, right? Suppose this is one of the website recently registered, mayush.typeof.in, and this is a basic feature. You can, if you want to buy your own domain, you can directly clicking here and get your domain. And this is, then you can, once you domain like done, or if you don't want to put your domain, you can start your business with this subdomain also, right? So you can share like copy and your domain and share with your WhatsApp. So this is how you can easily do a online business. So here so this basic visitor, so it will be pie chart will be displayed here once the data will be there. So let me show you another store which already already have a data, right? So I'm just a minute. So let me check one of more my account, the demo account. Sorry, I think this one. Yes. So this is one of my demo account where I can show you this, complete visited, like visitors I have, and the orders, number of orders I have in 2 days, 7 days, 30 days, 1 year, right? This is basic one free account I can. So it is not premium account. So this is how you can check all your orders, the recent orders in. This is the overview of orders. You can get it, right? The quick access of all add to product, edit layout, orders, right? So this is the dashboard where you can overview all these things. So once this is done, right, so next is I will show you. So the when in a e-commerce website is product, is a daily basis or weekly basis, you have to do that. So आपको क्या करना है? So जब product add करते हो, lot of challenges are coming. So we have a solution for that. So before creating or adding your products, you need to manage your categories, right? So this is the category like you have to manage. So here, once you click on the manage category, you will have these type of options where you can create your categories. So you can see here. So you can add a category, suppose home decor. Here, home decor. So I will not show you it's just an overview. I will show you here. Not adding products, not adding categories. It's just the features we have. I will show those features in here, this session, right? So this is a category and subcategory, multiple subcategory you can add. It's not limited to this, and so you can add as many as you want. And this is the category banner where like, if you want to, so if you create one category, the individual page will come, right, where all the products within that category will display. So you can also put one banner image in that category page. So this category page is all about that, a category image, right? So again, so every pages need a SEO, right? If you want to, we obviously we are managing automatically, but if you want to change, if you want to customize your SEOs, you can do also. So you can this is in like upper version of type of the, so you can write do it. So that's a very SEO option. You can add your titles, add your descriptions, the basic need of SEO, you can do it, right? So this is how you can manage all your pages, category pages on subcategory pages here. So next, once like category is done, right? So next part is manage product. So in manage product, you can see these are the product I have. This is demo product. I can say this is I have added already. So you can filter category wise and add products, right? So in add product is a lot of things, lot of parameters we are taking, but not compulsory or mandatory for you. So as for your business need, you can add all the details. जैसे कि आपको एक इमेज डालना है, राइट? प्रोडक्ट में वो तो मैंडेटरी ही है. Minimum 5 images up to, like, we are allowing up to 5 images. You can upload 5 images here. Then title hai, select category. Though the category you have already created, it will be reflect here, right? So you can just select your categories. You can add selling price, MRP. If you want to product wise shipping cost, you can add here. And these are the all things, you can explore individually, but I'm just showing you how you can do it. This is very basic demo. You can show the features we have. I am just showing you those features. So these are the product details. You can add brand name, style, site chart. If you're running a clothing brand, you can add site chart, right? So that your customer will clicking on that site chart and view all the sizes you have and whatever the sizes the brand you have, right? So this is how you can add all the products. So additional info, and in additional info, there are descriptions and care instructions, a lot of things individually. The product wise you can add, right? So next is SEO. As I said, in SEO, it's everything. Every pages we are allowing you to manage your SEO, right? Or otherwise, we are managing whatever your title and description put from, like, we are taking from your data. So that's how we are managing, and still you can manage your SEO if you have experience on that, you have an knowledge on that, you can manage that. So still, so this is how you can add products, right? Not like अभी तक मतलब खाली product आप add किए हैं. So once product done, so you can, like, you can search here the products, right? So in action, let me show you. So one more like basic features which is useful for you as a small business. So always here is all the product will be listed here, right? So the basic things: MRP, price, available, inventory management. It's an inline change, right? You can directly change here, and suppose my available is 2 product. Let me change here pricing. Here I can change selling price, and I can save here. So this is how, a single product you can manage instantly to sell your product in your website. So, right. So this is one features we have, and you can sort products. Suppose the scenario is आपको एक मैं कैटेगरी पेज में, जैसे बोला कैटेगरी पेज होता है, राइट? कैटेगरी पेज में हमें बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट है, बट आई जस्ट वांट टू शो सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट which is most selling, or which is you want to push sell. So you can sort the products, so in category wise, right? So we have 2 categories. So in category you can add those product you want to push. So those product will be listed on the top of that category page, right? So this is how you can manage, or you want to put on the top of the category page. ऐसा है तो so again, so this is again the most useful features we have. You can import product from your Excel sheet. So this is very easy. If you have more than 100 products, individually adding products, very hectic job, right? So you can directly put in Excel sheet, and single click you can have all the product in your dashboard as a type of dashboard, right? So this is very the features which the small business needed. So we have taken care of all the things, how to manage your product, and you can add your products, right? So next, if you in future, if you required an export product, like all the product you want in your system, or local system, you can download all the product to your local system, and you can update the data, and again you can upload. So it will be updated in your website even, right? So this is how you can manage all your product in a single platform, right? Inventory and everything will be taken care of here in a single page. So one more important features. So we, as a type of, we started with Instagram. So Instagram is, we are outreaching Instagram. We are following all Instagram customers. Those are in Instagram, selling on Instagram. So they can directly, import product from Instagram to type of in a single click. So this is very useful as the customer are using. So as we are seeing, the customers are mostly customers are using from these features. They are just clicking and fetching all the images from their Instagram page and adding as a product. ये बहुत ही हेल्प हो रहा है. आप अगर इंस्टाग्राम सेलर्स है तो आपके सारे इमेजेस अगर इंस्टाग्राम आपके पेजेस में है, यू जस्ट क्लिक एंड इट विल फेच ऑल योर इमेजेस लाइक एज यू सी हियर. सो पूरा जितने हमारे पेजेस में थे, राइट, इट्स नॉट ए सिंगल. सपोज आपके पोस्ट में एक मल्टीपल पेज, मल्टीपल इमेजेस है, सो दैट मल्टीपल इमेज ऑल्सो लाइक यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे, पूरा सिस्टम में आ जाएंगे आपके वेबसाइट में. ठीक है. So once it comes, you need to check which product you want to import, right? You just select and choose the category and add the product name and add the price, right? Because in price, uh, in Instagram there is no price, so you have to add those things manually here. So once done, then you just click on import. That's it. So all your images as a product import to your system. So this is very, as a Instagram seller, it's a very useful for you. So you can add easily whatever the product, the number of products you have. Right. Next is order list. In order list, it's a regular job. If you are getting a orders, so all the order will be listed here. So this is the order list. You can see like order detail, order ID, customer name, pricing, order date, right? So if you expand this, you can download the invoice also. And if you clicking on this order number, so you will check all the details will be here, right? The delivered to special requests if they have any. Then if you want to dispatch or delivered order, so you can do it. So the beauty of these features, I can say, no one is providing. Here you can write down your shipping information. If you are doing it manually, you can put it your all your shipping information here, and you can just click all packaged product, right? So you can click and upload here so that your customer will see how the product is dispatched, right? So this is all features we are providing in, it's a manual order if you want, right? So again, so we are providing one more thing, like once you get the order, you can directly connect to your shipping partner, right? Shiprocket, delivery, whatever you have. So directly you can connect and dispatch your product for them. So this is, complete cycle where we can integrate with Typeup. So not only that, you can download invoice from here also, and this is print address. So if you want to manually do it, so you can print this address and put it in your product packaging. So this is how is order list you can manage, right? So next is abandoned cart. I think you understand what is abandoned cart. In abandoned cart is a feature where your most customers are coming to your website, adding to add to cart, right? So उसके बाद कुछ भी challenges होता है, कुछ पसंद नहीं आता है, so they just left your cart, right? So but here you can access those data, right? So I will show you this is simple list, I can say. You can have all the customer details like email ID, phone number, name, right? So which product they have added, so that you can connect to them and asking for why they are not like they have not completed their purchase, right? So then you can follow up them and asking with some offer, might be they can convert to a customer. So this is how abandoned cart will help you to sales, increase your sales. So these features are in offer version, because this panel I'm showing, this is all free versions. So how you can manage the free version things. Then product inquiry, as we are most of the sellers are artisans, right? So they don't have ready-made products. So if you you don't have that product and don't want to show in your website, you can just click on sellable no, one features we have in product session. So that your customer will inquiry about that product, so that all the data will be reflected here. Okay, so all the data, like again product name, email ID and customer details also you can मतलब आप फॉलो अप कर सकते हैं उनको, कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं कि आपका क्या एग्जैक्टली रिक्वायरमेंट है. सो दिस इज हाउ you can get all the customer details. Then I just rush into I just saying you कि जल्दी जल्दी में बोल देता हूँ क्या क्या हो सकता है, क्या फीचर्स है, so that it will be easy for you to decide and you can create your style, right? You can purchase our different premium plans. The payment links we have. So here, if you want to collect some money from your direct customer, they don't want to pay an UPI, right? So you can just share a link and they can directly pay you through that link, through net banking, through credit card, and every all payment methods are available here. The next is I can say coupon codes, as this is the features where most of the sellers need this. So let me show you, because this is most important. So let me one of premium I can show one of my premium customers, or those are already using the premium one, so that you can check. Yeah, this is, I think, yeah. So here, if I go to coupons, you can check here the create coupon now. So this is very, all the needs you can done, like everything you can do it from here in a single panel. देखिए एक चीज है, जैसे कस्टमर को आपको करना क्या है, एक सिंगल टाइम देना है. तो एक मैं कस्टमर को एक बार देना चाहता हूँ दिस कूपन कोड, राइट? सो दिस इज फॉर वन टाइम. दिस इज फर्स्ट ऑर्डर ओनली. सपोज ऐसे कस्टमर आएंगे, ओनली फर्स्ट ऑर्डर जो खरीदेंगे ये कूपन एप्लीकेबल हो गए. देन आप एक कूपन बनाना चाहते हैं कि ऑल टाइम उनको अवेलेबल हो कूपन, जब भी आए वो सेम कूपन अप्लाई करें और सेम डिस्काउंट ऑफर अवेल कर सके. So these are the categories of coupons you can create, and the discount type, like you can create a 10% discount, you can create a flat 200 rupees discount. So you can create like the discount type. This is a percentage and flat, right? So then again, discount amount, how much you want to suppose this is percentage, so discount amount would be 10%, right? So this is how you can manage, and still you can manage the maximum discount amount. It means suppose you given a 10% off, but it should not be more than 500. So you can restrict that, adding the 500 value here, right? Maximum discount amount. So this is minimum amount also. So order value, it's all about order value, right? So minimum, suppose I want to give a discount where minimum order is 2000. So you can here add here 2000, right? So this is how you can manage all the coupons. So again you can customize coupon code, you can mention here, you can select the categories here. So the number of categories you have, and you just want to put particular categories, and this coupon code will be applicable, right? So this is how you can manage coupon. And obviously so it will be start date, and it should be in a start date and end date, right? So ऐसे total coupon बना सकते हैं. And most interesting part is buy X and get Y free, right? So this is an advanced coupon you can create in Typeo. So very easy, like some, if you want to offer to buy one get one free, right? So you can add those coupon code in Typeo. So this is like coupon code you can manage. So here let me show you once again the abandoned cart. So here abandoned cart also in like, sorry. Okay. Okay, abandonment is done. Then settlement is not relevant. If you are using type of payment gateway, then settlement will be like, you can see how many orders we got, right? So how many payments you received, all the reports will get here. So let me like go through one report here. So here suppose 1st August to 12th August. This is the order ID, and you can click here. So this is the payment received, this is the deduction, and this is the settlement amount, right? So this is how you can check all the settlements you got from typo. And then reports, right? So this is one report where you can get all the data, like sales over time, sales by product, sales by customer. It means how many sales you got from particular customer, how many sales you got from particular product, and how many sales you got from particular coupon and city. So this is how you can check all your reports. So this is basic reports in these plans you can access. So that it will be easy for you to decide, and the marketing whatever you want to do with these data. Next is the forms. I think not relevant. If you want to create some forms which is customized forms, let me show you again. General inquiry, bulk order forms, customization, request, contact us forms, right? You can have those data here only once if you have created that those forms. And I will show you how to create those forms, right? So again, then order section is done. Next is customers. In customers, all the customer details, right? Here you can see all the customer. You can directly access. Even you can directly create a campaign, email campaign from our portal, to whatever the contacts you have, right? So these things you can manage from in a single platform. Then this is most important thing here, online store. In online store, theme settings, it's a minimal, it's a first time job when you have like you just registered and you go to theme settings. So multiple themes will see according to the plans. You can set up your theme primary colors, background. You can see like you can add fonts, whatever you the best font for you, right? You can choose those fonts according to your plans. Then the most important part is the edit layout, right? So in the edit layout, you can customize whole layout of your website. So it's not like add to like drag and drop, but आपको ये very easy होगा, because as a layman we मतलब start जब किए हम लोग, so बहुत सारे जैसे आपके जैसे कस्टमर के साथ बात की कि कैसे इजी हो सकता है एक लेआउट और वेबसाइट डिजाइन करने के लिए ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप। बिकॉज एक डेवलपर के लिए वो कोड कर रहा था, बट उनके लिए ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप इजी है, बट एक लेमैन के लिए उनके लिए इजी नहीं था ये। सो हम लोग एक क्या करें, प्री डिफाइंड सेक्शन कर देंगे। सपोज ये हेडर है, आपका बैनर कहाँ डालना है, तो आपको उतना दिमाग नहीं लगाना है और थीम में नहीं डालना है। So you just put your content and your website will be ready, right? So in header section, what need to do? You just need to put your like logo, right? Or then you just decide what color you want to put in a background color. Then done. That's it. You just need to save this. So this is how you can manage, the short intro. Suppose you just want to change your banner, so you just add your banner. That's simple it is. So आपको इतना नहीं करना पड़ेगा जो आपको डिजाइन करना पड़े और ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करना पड़ेगा, कहाँ पे क्या प्लेस करना पड़ेगा. So nothing to do it. So you just add your content and your website will be done, right? से जैसे ये पूरा कंप्लीट वेबसाइट यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं, तो ये कंप्लीट वेबसाइट आप यहीं से ही एडिट लेआउट से ही बना सकते हैं. जस्ट यू नीड टू ऐड सेक्शंस. तो ये ऑल द सेक्शंस आर देयर, ठीक है. सो ये मॉड्यूल बोलते हैं आप. तो यहाँ पे जो भी सेक्शंस है आप सिंगल क्लिक पे ऐड हो जाएगा और आपको कंप्लीटली जो भी करना है आप इजीली यहाँ पे मैनेज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. सो एडिट थीम लेआउट हो गया. अगर और एक फीचर्स है हमारे यहाँ पे, जैसे पेजेस. So you can create your own pages. जैसे about us पेज create करना है, contact us पेज create करना है. So create new pages में just need to mention your page title, then page content, and the banner image you can set. Again, as I said, you can like create already predefined forms we have. General inquiry है, contact us form है, bulk order forms है. So you just choose these forms and so those forms will be reflected on that page. So अगर कोई कस्टमर आपका जो फॉर्म में कुछ डाटा फिलअप करता है, so you can see here, right, as I shown you. in form sections. So this is how you can manage all your like pages. And as I said, SEO is important for you, right? So you can create your title and descriptions, and even after clicking, after giving a title and description, you can check the SEO score. So how relevant your title and description is, right? So this is the page. This is how you just create your pages, right? So let me show one the beautiful site, created in type of a lot of so many sites, but still I want to show this site. I think this is recently done, and I can show Mavni designs. I can show. So you can take this. This is how the sites are, fast. Very performance is very well, because we are those two things we are committing. The one thing is performance and your SEO, right? So we are not compromising on those two things. So if you check this site, this is I think recently launched, and they have created the very beautiful site here. So they can you can check this site is designed from type of, right? So you can also create this type of site. And again, it doesn't matter designing. Actually, we're not restricting your design in the different plans. You can design beautiful site. There is no restriction on designing in a different plan. Even in free plan you can design this type of websites, right? So if you see here, so they have added multiple pages also. So here these are the basic pages they have already created. So you also create this type of pages, right? So again, blogs, if you want to write and you want to build your content around your website, you can just write blogs. So you can, it's very simple. You can multiple adding your मतलब आप add कर सकते हैं. There is no restrictions. And if you see, these are the feedbacks, reviews from your customer, right? So you can collect from once you once you deliver your product, your customer will get a notification about your product review. So they can directly review, or they can directly review on your dashboard, customer dashboard, right? So once they log in, they can put a review on your product. Still, we have one feature where create custom review. This is an offer version, obviously. So if you got your reviews from offline or other channel, you can input all the reviews here directly, right? So then, as artisans, so they need workshop. They're conducting workshop regularly, so you can create your workshop and ticket, right? It's, you can sell your workshop ticket here. You can add as much as the content, this is very HTML content, right? You can edit and you can design your content here. So this is workshop. Then SEO, obviously, this is a whole website SEO. You can manage your website SEO from here, right? So you can, if you want to missing something, just a minute. Here you can what's Mapme. So let me check the SEO score here. So this is how you can check all your SEO score, right? So your SEO score is 75%. If you put this Mapme designs and Mapme description, Mapme, so keyword is Mapme. If you want to input, right? So Mapme, right? So uh, optimize your keyword Mapme. So this is the score. So still you have a opportunity to improve this, right? So this is how you can manage your SEO score in a whole website. So these are the things. Then next is apps. We have multiple apps till now, as a payment gateway, Razor Pay, Paytm, Cash-Free, and you can also you can do it as a COD options for your customers. Then Cprocket for logistic partner deliveries, and these marketing, Mailchimp and Interact. So these are the apps we have. And like this is also restricted to your plans. So that's these are the apps you are seeing. So it's a particular, so I think this plan is built, right? So these apps you can like integrate directly. There is nothing to, there is no code and nothing. You just one click, I would integrate those all apps. Then these are the multiple settings we have. You can directly connect your custom domain. Just clicking on this single button, you can connect your custom domain. Then lot of settings, flash notification we have, social media links. You can configure all your social media. Then analytics, it's analytic. Mostly you can add your Google Tag Manager. Otherwise, you can add your Facebook Pixel to track your campaign or paid campaign, right? So these all things under the settings, and you can also add custom scripts. It's not about only header footer. You can just whatever. Suppose you need some verification, Facebook verification, or you just want to put some JavaScript code or to live chat, right? So you can mention, you can just put all the code here and save, so it will be reflected in your website. So एक वेबसाइट में एक अगर सपोज आपको एक लाइव चैट डालना है तो आपको क्या करना है, तो उसका कोड एक जावास्क्रिप्ट का कोड आता है, राइट? वहां पे लाए और ये फुटर में डाल दिए तो आपका साइट में भी आपको अवेलेबल हो जाएगा. जस्ट आई कैन गिव एन एग्जांपल हियर. एक वेबसाइट है tekabo.in, जैसे हमारा एक कस्टमर है. यहाँ पे देखिए ये जो चैट डाले ना, लाइव चैट, सो ये कस्टमर ने सिर्फ कस्टम स्क्रिप्ट में एक को स्क्रिप्ट डाल दी है, तो वो स्क्रिप्ट एज ए लाइव चैट काम कर रहा है. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन पुट योर स्क्रिप्ट्स. ठीक है. देन देन दिस इज शिपिंग सेटिंग है. सो इन free shipping, so you can just click here free shipping. There is no shipping charges, right? So your shipping setting is done. Then if you want to like charge different fee for each product, ठीक है, तो आपको क्या करना है, जो प्रोडक्ट में हम लोग सेट किए हैं उसमें भी एक शिपिंग सेटिंग है, राइट? वहां पे शिपिंग कॉस्ट डाल दिए. बट आपको क्या करना है, बट मैं प्रोडक्ट वाइज लूंगा, बट मेरे को एक 2000 के बाद मेरे को नहीं चाहिए चार्जेस शिपिंग. अगर ऑर्डर वैल्यू 2000 हो जाता है, सो आई डोंट वांट टू चार्ज द शिपिंग कॉस्ट, राइट? सो यू कैन मेंशन हियर 2000. सो you're done, right? So this is how, again we have another option कि चार्ज ए फ्लैट फी फॉर ऑल ऑर्डर्स. आपको एक पर्टिकुलर चार्ज करना है. सपोज मेरे को 75 चार्ज करना है फॉर ईच ऑर्डर, राइट? बट अगर फिर भी 5000 के बाद अगर हो जाता है, सो आई डोंट वांट टू चार्ज. सो यू कैन मेंशन द 5000 एंड शिपिंग फी विल बी 75, राइट? एंड अनदर वी हैव ऑप्शंस, राइट? आपको एक रेंज डालना है कि सपोज मेरे पास जो ऑर्डर आता है उसका 100 रुपीज से 500 रुपीज तक अगर आता है कुछ ऑर्डर, तो मुझे करना है 50 रुपीज शिपिंग चार्जेस, राइट? सो उसके बाद मेरे को करना है, सपोज 500 से ऊपर जाता है, so let me fix it 10,000, so I will charge 80 rupees. So this is how you can configure all your shipping charges for your orders, right? So then again, payment invoice, this is if you put your all the data, right? GST number, bank account details, so this is you can get your like settlements from this bank account, right? So another we have order settings. Here you can get it. ऑर्डर सेटिंग में क्या होता है, आपको मल्टीपल ईमेल, सपोज मेरे एक ईमेल सेट हुआ है जो ऑर्डर आप जो स्टोर रजिस्टर किए थे, वो स्टोर रजिस्टर करने के बाद भी और एक सेकेंडरी ईमेल डालना चाहते हैं, तो यू कैन पुट सेकेंडरी ईमेल हियर. सो आपको दो ईमेल पे ऑर्डर जा सकते हैं. अगेन आपको ईमेल आईडी हो गया, फोन नंबर भी अगर डालना है तो फोन नंबर भी डाल सकते हैं. तो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन सेट अप ऑल योर ऑर्डर सेटिंग. देन यूजर सेटिंग भी है. आप मल्टीपल यूजर भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं कि आपके कोई बंदा है जो आप भी करते हैं, बट आपके बंदे भी कोई करना चाहते हैं, तो यू कैन क्रिएट ए यूजर्स सो दैट योर कस्टम, मतलब यूजर भी प्रोडक्ट ऐड कर सकता है, छोटा छोटा ऑर्डर डिटेल्स देख सकता है. सो दैट कैन बी डन. ठीक है. सो SMTP सेटिंग है, जो अगर आपको जो ईमेल कैंपेन करना होता है यहाँ पे, तो ईमेल कैंपेन के लिए एक SMTP सेटिंग, मतलब आपको एक ईमेल आईडी से, क्योंकि टाइप ऑफ से तो नहीं जाएगा, आपको अगर ईमेल करना है तो आपको वेबसाइट से और आपका ईमेल से ही जाना चाहिए, राइट? तो आपको एक एसएमटीपी सेटिंग्स करना पड़ेगा, सो दैट इट विल बी इजी फॉर योर कस्टमर, और दे कैन रिकॉग्नाइज कि हाँ, ये पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड से आया है। तो एसएमटीपी सेटिंग भी आपको करना पड़ता है, ठीक है? सो दिस इज दिस इज हाउ यू कैन टोटली कंप्लीट ई कॉमर्स साइट बना सकते हैं। एंड यहाँ पे एक रेफरल प्रोग्राम भी है। सो रेफरल प्रोग्राम में आई थिंक सम एरर इज देयर, बट रेफरल प्रोग्राम में आपको क्या करना है ना, जो कोई भी, सपोज आपका कोई दोस्त है, किसको रेफर करना है, इसमें सबसे ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स है कि आपको किसी को अगर रेफर करते हैं, कोई भी रजिस्टर करता है, आपको 500 रुपीज का एक पॉइंट मिलेगा। तो 500 रुपीज का एक जो पॉइंट मिलता है, उसको यूज करके आप यहाँ पे आपका प्रीमियम कर सकते हैं। सो दिस इज हाउ रेफरल प्रोग्राम वर्क्स हियर, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे अपग्रेड प्लान भी है। सो आपको अगर पसंद आया, पूरा सारे चीजें हो गया, सेटल हो रहा है, सो यू कैन डायरेक्टली बाय फ्रॉम हियर। सो सारे पैकेजेस है यहाँ पे, सो डायरेक्टली आप पे कर सकते हैं और पूरा साइट आप प्रीमियम कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? सो ये दिस इज ओवरव्यू ऑफ कंप्लीट ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट। एंड यहाँ पे सब कुछ जो ई कॉमर्स का 360 डिग्री का एक सेटलमेंट है ना, एक आप कस्टमर डिस्कवर करेगा, फिर बाय करेगा, फिर आपको डिलीवरी होगा प्रोडक्ट, एक कंप्लीट ई कॉमर्स सॉल्यूशंस इन ए सिंगल प्लेटफॉर्म हो सकती है, ठीक है? जैसे मैं आपको दिखाया, सारे वेबसाइट देखिए, ये सारे वेबसाइट वहीं से ही बना है, कि टाइप ऑफ से ही बना है। जैसे अभी उनका एक ऑफर चल रहा है, so this is I can say this is the flash notification, right? वो सेटिंग में है, वो डाला है इतना कंटेंट, तो ये स्क्रॉल हो रहा है। तो ये जो आपको रिफ्रेश करने पे एक कूपन आता है, तो ये कूपन कोड बनाया है और उसको पॉपअप बना दिया, तो ये जो इजीली देख सकते हो। सो दिस इज कंप्लीट ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट, ब्यूटीफुल वेबसाइट, ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट बना सकते हो। तो आपका कॉस्ट आप देखिए तो इट्स वेरी नॉमिनल है। आप 2000 से स्टार्ट करके स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं आपका वेबसाइट। सो आई थिंक इट्स डन। सो just create your website and let me know if you have any doubts. You can directly connect with us in WhatsApp and email. Thank you so much.